And then if you catch yourself at the moment you have been angry, you also still have the choice. Look at the roots of this anger, and again, haha, how stupid was I to fall on this trap of my own mind. Or stay angry for 1 hour more. Yes? Being pissed off at everybody and rejecting everything, in bad mood for the rest of the day. Your choice. It's easy to often criticize outside. It's not my fault if I was angry, that person told me this. Yes, that person told you this. Very well. That person told you this because you have created the cause for that in your past. Your responsibility. You got angry to what you heard, your fault. Right?
Moramo si zapomniti, da lahko vedno izbiramo. Ker vse prihaja iz našega uma, ne samo to, kar zaznavamo, temveč tudi način, kako se odzivamo na te zaznave. Lahko izbiramo. Ok, v preteklosti smo ustvarili določene vzroke, ki bodo v naš pripeljali določena čustva in določene pojave pred nas. Preteklost je preteklost. Takšna je. Tudi način, kako se odzivamo na njo, kako jo interpretiramo, kako jo doživljamo. Katero čustvo bomo dovolili, da se razvije v našem umu ali se ne razvije v našem umu. To je naša odločitev zdaj, v tem trenutku. Lahko popolnoma nadziramo, kako se odzivamo na določeno zaznavo pred našim umom. Nihče drug tega ne nadzira. Če se v našem umu pojavi strah, ga lahko vidimo takšnega, kot je. Nič več kot petarda, nekaj dima. To opazimo, opazujemo in potem to izgine. Ali pa se identificiramo s tem, se zlijemo s tem strahom, ta strah se še poveča in začnemo se bati. To je naša odločitev. Nekdo nam v obraz reče nekaj slabega, nas graja, kritizira. In spet se lahko odločimo. Ali se bomo preprosto smejali in si rekli, dobra priložnost, da delam na svojem ponosu, ali pa se bomo razjezili, rekli nekaj nazaj, zabrusili par grdih stvari tej osebi. Še vedno, če se razjezimo, se lahko zasačimo pri tem, da smo se razjezili. Si ogledamo korenine svoje jeze, se zasmejemo in si rečemo, kako neumen sem bil, da sem se ujel v to zanko. Ali pa ostanemo jezni še 1 uro in ostanemo slabe volje cel dan. Tudi to je naša odločitev. Pogosto je zelo lahko kritizirati svet okrog nas. Pravimo, da ni naša napaka, da smo jezni. Nismo mi krivi, da smo se razjezili. Sam je tisti človek rekel to in to. Res je, tisti človek nam je rekel to in to. Zato, da nam je to rekel, smo mi sami ustvarili vzroke v preteklosti. To, da smo se razjezili nanj, pa je naša odgovornost.
It's like when I hear somebody who say, oh, yesterday I had such a bad day. What bad day? You had a day. Maybe it was a day full of events, okay, challenging, interesting. Some challenges can be a bit tougher than some other, yes. But from the right angle of perception, it's interesting. You face some event a little bit more difficult than usual, perfect. Perfect for your practice. Perfect for your mind. you are able to find out which part of your ego you have not yet dealt with enough. So it's a wonderful day. It's not a bad day. I don't know what is a bad day. There are days, yes, more full of events. Bad? Why? Whatever can happen in your day can be understood from the point of view of its true nature, from the point of view of how challenging it is for your ego, from the point of view of how it challenges your peace, inner peace. Yes? Yesterday I had a very challenging day. Okay, that can be. A bad day? No. If you understand it well. Oh, last night was a terrible night. The same. Why terrible? You woke up several times? Okay. Well, in between you can recite mantras. Extra time for mantras. Super. Yes? So you can wake up in the next morning and say, such a nice day. Because the night was full of mantra. Okay, didn't sleep that much, but yeah. The way you see the things make the things. Keep this in mind. The way you perceive the things make them the way you perceive them. Isn't it logical? So you want to be happy in your life? Make this happiness. Do not let the disturbing emotions to overwhelm you. Do not identify with every thought that arises in your mind, because they are illusory. It's a little burst of energy within your mind stream, produced by causes coming from the past. They just make zzz, you know, like a short circuit in your brain, and it's gone. Except if you hold on it. You remember something not very pleasant from 10 years, 20 years ago? Finished. It was a memory. It just make like a little appearance. Coucou, I'm here. I'm your memory. Okay, you look at it and you say, yes, hello memory. Goodbye, you're past and finished. That can be. Or you identify with it and how poor I am because this happened to me 20 years ago. I'm terrible and my mind is suffering so much because of something which is past since ever. Right?